Core 1, Graphs and Transformations of Graphs, Past Paper Question, May 2010, Question 6. So here we're given a graph, and we don't know what f of x actually is, but we know that this is the graph of y equals f of x. And we're given 2 points on the graph. We're given a maximum at A and a minimum at B. And you can see these on the graphs. And these are the most important points of the graph for us because we need to show how these move when we do the following transformations. So from earlier on in the booklet, we know that f of x plus 3 means that we move 3 in the negative x direction. That means that we move 3 spaces to the left. So I've already drawn my axes and I'm going to redraw this curve, moving it 3 spaces to the left. So this is how my graph looks after it's been transferred. And as you can see, point B, which is the minimum here, because we've moved minus 3 in the x direction, this now lies on the y-axis. So this is my point B, and it now lies on 0, minus 5. And my point A, which was on minus 2, 3, well, my x value minus 2 is going to be decreased by 3, so that's going to be on minus 5, 3. So that's part A done. So for part B, I'll need to draw my axes again. So here are my axes again. But now I'm going to be doing a stretch to the graph, 2f of x, which we know will stretch the graph a scale factor of 2 in the y direction. So I'm going to redraw my curve and do the transformation to it. So this is my new graph, but it could just be any graph until you've put on the points A and B. So my point A, if the y value has been doubled, it's going to be at minus 2, 6. So my A point here is now at minus 2, 6. And the same with my B value. So my x value will still be 3, but my y value will be doubled. So that will be 3 minus 10. So B is at 3 minus 10. So I've done the 2 transformations that the questions asked for. So next, the graph of y equals f of x plus a has a minimum at 3, 0, where a is a constant. So if we have a look here, the minimum, which is this point here, has been moved to 3, 0, which is this point here. So what's happened? Well, we've moved up by 5 spaces. So I'm asked to write down the value of a, but of course this y equals f of x plus a means that we'll be moving the graph up vertically in the y direction by a spaces. And as I just pointed out, the point has moved up 5 spaces. So that means that a is equal to 5.